In the carpentry program at the Jefferson County JVS, students will receive skills and knowledge to begin a rewarding career in the construction industry. They will learn a range of skills including estimating, framing, roofing, CNC routing, and interior finishing. They will learn to operate forklifts, scissor lifts, aerial lifts, and other equipment. They will be introduced to new tools, materials, and construction procedures, all being updated to stay current with trends in the construction industry. Each year, students will work on a range of skills and projects. They work on framing, shingles, siding, drywall, painting, cabinets, and laminating floors. They construct modular homes and can build boards and batten fencing. Along with this, they have formed, poured, and finished concrete driveways. Carpentry students attend field trips to the International Carpenters and Joiners of America Apprentice Training Facility, and they look forward to going on more field trips in the future. After graduating from the carpentry program, you have enough experience to easily apply for college, jobs, and internships in the field. Skilled craftsmen are in more demand every single year, and if you pass with a 2.0 GPA or higher, you can automatically be accepted into the apprenticeship program with the Ohio Carpenters Joint Apprenticeship as a part of our articulation agreement, putting you years ahead of the competition. The carpentry program also has close ties with the local 186 Carpenters Union. Many representatives from the union and their past graduates come to the JVS looking to employ our students. Students in the lab can receive industry credentials in the OSHA 10, aerial lift, forklift training, CPR, first aid training, unions, and field trips.